This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we're going to cover how to remove your burners from your GE electric stove, and this might be done to improve the contact with the burner so that it works better. It might be due to cleaning these little drip plates that go below them, or maybe replacing them with brand new ones. Regardless, though, it's really easy to do, and also it's very easy to get them to make better contact so that they will work correctly and do that without having to replace the burner itself. So if you want to remove the burner, make sure that it's not hot and just pull it directly out to the side, and it should be very easy to come out. Here's a set of brand new drip plates that you can put in that really make your stove look great again. We'll put a link in the description below, but they're really easy to install. I just put them in position, line up the big hole with where the burner goes in, and then once you do that, just gently push the burner back in, and you'll notice that it'll sit down right inside that bowl. And there's actually a little relief in the metal where the burner will sit down. So make sure you link that up. Trying to get the burner to be very flat is important when you're cooking, so that, like if you're cooking eggs, the eggs won't run to one side of the pan. So you want to push it down and get it as flat as you can. Just take you a couple of minutes. There's where it goes in right there. So here's the bigger burner. We're going to just pull this out toward us. And these are the electrodes here. We're going to bend this a little bit to your left, to the outside. And it's going to make better contact with the receptacle inside, and it will get all the power possible. You can also clean those contacts with a wire brush. So we're going to put in the drip plate. This one's a little bit older, so it doesn't look quite as good. Have it sit down, and then we're just going to gently push that back in as far as it'll go. Coming in at a little bit of an angle. And then once again, we're going to look for the area on the drip plate that's relieved, and that's where the burner legs are going to drop into. There's 3 of those. That looks good. If you wash these drip plates in the dishwasher, they should come out a lot shinier too. You may not have to replace them. Do the bigger one in the back. We're going to pull it out. And again, we'll just bend it a little bit to the outside. You can bend both of them just about a 1/16 of an inch would be great. Tiny bit. I'll do that one. And they're going to make better contact, get full flow of the electrons, so it heats up really good. Put in the drip pan, line it up. And then we're just going to gently push that in at an angle as far as it'll go and set it down. Try and line up those little feet. So the one in the back on the right, that one actually has a exhaust for your oven, an exhaust ducting, so you may find sometimes that steam is coming out of that one. So once again, we're going to bend this one out and maybe clean that up with sandpaper or a wire brush. Put in the drip pan. There's that ducting right there for the oven. Steam comes out of that. Go ahead and gently push that back in. set it down, and you're done. And your stove is going to look better, and it's going to heat up faster and stronger. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.